In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create and manage AI action plans for your clients, including setting the language, defining credit goals, assigning advisors, and choosing delivery options. Start by navigating to the Action Plan section in the main menu. Open the Action Plan Settings tab to adjust default configurations. Select the default client language to define how clients will receive communications. Next, select a default credit goal field to set a default credit goal for new action plans. Click the default credit advisor field to set the primary advisor for your client's action plans. Let's set Kobe Bryant as the default credit advisor for all your clients' action plans. Adjust the default credit utilization percentage to define the credit utilization action trigger based on your client's credit usage. Enable automatically send action plans to ensure clients receive plans without manual intervention. Click Save to apply changes to the action plan default settings. Great! Your default action plan settings are now set. You can now begin generating action plans for your clients. Now let's head back to your Creditfixrr business dashboard to begin generating action plans for your clients. Let's open this client's credit profile to create a personalized action plan. Click on the Action Plan button to access and create your client a personalized credit restoration action plan based on this client's specific credit goal. Click on the Default Credit Advisor drop-down to update her credit advisor. Let's set Kobe Bryant as the default credit advisor for your credit repair clients. Next, select from the list of credit goals to select a goal that perfectly aligns with your client's unique credit goal. Now select what language you want your action plan to be written in. Click Save to confirm this client's action plan settings. Select the Create Action Plan button. Finally, kickstart a tailored action plan strategy for your client by confirming and selecting Create Action Plan button. After confirming, you may close the modal. Creditfixrr AI will generate your client's action plan in the background and update you once it's complete. Click the View button to explore your client's personalized credit action plan. Now let's head back to our dashboard and select the action plans to view all of your clients' action plans. Great job! You've successfully created an AI action plan for your client. Creditfixrr AI action plans are your new secret weapon. Every client gets a personalized roadmap with the exact steps to improve their credit. No confusion, no waiting, no manual analysis, just instant clarity. You close more clients, keep more clients, and deliver results faster.